no.
Take it your way. Hey, guys, go on school. Nagaya ke honia. Poko neke na mama. Iko mleta mkono. Gaya ke ho? No ke buena. Nete mogo saka hete sio. No shunya nere rokira to the young people. To the young man and the advice. Are we together?
Yeah.
Most of the young people, the growing people.
Your
young Gen Z. Yeah, Gen Z. Whatever. Yeah. So
just talking English. We don't mind. We don't mind that.
Then I just decided to compose a song.
Yeah.
With a message to the youth because I love the youth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. So and you know how to talk in English more than Kikuyu?
Well, I'm very much educated because when I was at school, I got as far as standard 7. I'm a graduate of standard 7.
Class 7.
Standard 7.
Yeah.
I was in 1965. That's when I did KPE, and I got a multiple C. But unfortunately, my dad refused to educate me.
Yeah.
He refused. Then I was furious.
Yeah. You was
Yeah. And so I became a housewife. Until now, I'm a housewife.
You are still your housewife. And your husband is still on air. Yeah. You love him. Oh my God. Like a paradise. So, can I ask you one question?
Yeah, you can ask anything.
Oh my God. Do you know this Gen Z? They live class 8. I'm trying to talk in English. So don't mind that. When they live class 8, do you know they can't even talk English fluently like you are? Do you know that?
You know, it goes without saying. Why? They are just, maybe they like French more than English.
They like French more than English.
Yeah, or Chinese, King Hong Kong, Yeah, because we are living in a time of
digital.
We are digital. So we have got to have a change. And that's why they are behaving the way they are behaving. And I like them because I like them. That's being not the kugegia house.
Yes. Can say you the greeting of your husband, your wife,
my husband,
your baby?
Yeah, and my baby. Oh, my baby. He is called Steve Gerber. And my family. I've got a family. I told another girl there. My family is Kuchikoro TV that is and a coachman as far as and another one asked me how old I am. I told him I am number of God plus that of 9. You can just do the sum and know my age. Yeah. Number of God plus 1 that of 9. How many years? Number of God plus 1 that of 9. How many years? How many years? Number of God plus 1 that of 9. Who can know the answer?
Who know the answer? We give him
yeah. Number of God.
Tell us. 3.
Number of God?
9.
Number of God? Plus 3. Yeah, you get the answer. How many children do I have? How many children do I have? Well, in our family, in our culture, we don't have children, but like I just into is a Kuchikoro team with a referee and a coach minus 4, you get the answer of my family.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Can you do us with the song?
So, hakuna mwenye anaelewa kizungu yako.
Like this one is getting there.
How many?
I put you for a team with a referee and a coach minus 4, you get the answer of my family. Yeah. Good. Yeah.
9. Is it 9?
Yes, I'm a mother of 9.
Can we clap for our social? Paxson is coming. The time is not clear.
Thank you very much for Gonzalez. And I love you all. And may God bless you all.
Thank you, social.
Thank you.
Good day.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Now, with these two... Haya, now tunataka kupea my brother a chance na yeye atuambie ametuletea nini. But before then, kuna mtu nimeona hapa. Huyu nake aruragia ndirenda ugorendo munyonyi. Toko kude melea. Nega tamamenye ni okire. Igongona riri ni okirtwo guku. Nituthiete wega tutithiete. Thina wake no kuoga. Na okana ari munene. Riu ndathiĩ gwĩka atĩa?
Nakari, yathira no kuongerera tondu mundu witwo Executive Deputy Gachagua augire Deputy President augire atiriri njohithire ni mwana aingira bagiri sei mwana nyiriki nyaga miru matega karia bono ni kuri firu na wekatia na guthi na mbere koguo riu nyina wa kana okire ngiona kana gokari he kindu twa kunyana ahianira eu kana goka riu he kindu ka dunya riu ndari wamenya onyiriri igithie yathie ri gietho uyu umwe riu gaka nginya kuho hati mundu nginyohije gaka nini
Motige tunyana na nginya gotire rĩrĩa mwatunyana na mwana rĩ
yathire no kuongerera mĩkuire rĩ no mĩhũthũ ini haya warũinũ celeb oga ndikũĩ
nĩnjũĩ
atia gĩkĩ
ndagĩire indo
nĩ mwathani
thengiũ mũno
naimaku nĩokire
rĩu ndĩrenda ũikare hau ũrũgamĩre hau tondũ nĩgetha wothe no tokoine na icucu nĩ tondũ wana okay.
Nitariganwo nĩ kaũndũ ndaririkanio nĩ mairota twendanire harĩa he mũndũ ũkĩenda kũmenya my number of the phone.
Yeah, tell us the
number of my phone. Namba yakwa ya thimũ no ahũrĩre anjĩte handũ arathirũra acio thiĩ ndĩmũkeneria ageni. Haleluya. Nĩkĩo thimũ yaku twĩre 0728 wanyita hau 0728 73 Are we together?
Yes.
Ona ukigwa wena thuguni yaku no unjitirie ngetha one ritwa riakwa ria biũ. Unjitirie kibao, thumuni, ciringi. Nigetha one maene.
ona ritwa ria kati
0728 73 no rĩrĩa rĩkorwo na comment. Niĩ ndĩ comment.
Ndũkora ũkĩria hau. Rĩu ndĩrenda twĩke my brother tondũ ũyũ no tũkũmwĩka